Hey, good Wednesday to you. It is the middle of the week. We're halfway to Friday, and we are going to work on some assignments today. The purpose of this video is to show you what I need you to work on today, September the 2nd, 2020. So first thing, if you notice, I'm in Mr. Medina 5th period class. This is going to be the same thing for all of my 6th grade classes. And the first thing I want to point out is this stream. When you log in for the very first time into Google Classroom, you have this stream option here. And what the stream does is it loads up the assignments that I posted for whatever day it is. Now the problem that I have with the stream is that it's not organized, and I can't organize this. So what I want you to do, I want you to click on Classwork instead. So here on Classwork, what you're going to notice is I went ahead and kept it simple. Today is September 2nd, 2020. This is where you should be working on. Those of you who get lost in the assignments, over here where it says all topics, if you just click that day's assignment, or that date, if you click that date, it will load up everything that you need to work on for that date's assignments. So here I am in September 2nd, 2020. The first thing I want to point out is at the very top I have our bell ringer. I'm going to do this a little bit different this time. One of the things that I've noticed is many of you are unfamiliar with the topics. So I went ahead and added a YouTube video that should explain the bell ringer through IXL for that day. The other thing I did is right here where it says IXL, choose the synonym. If you just click this, it's going to take you straight to IXL. And it's going to not only take you there, it's also going to take you to that day's lesson through IXL. You also have the option to learn with an example. It's very important if you do not know how to complete these assignments to make sure you click that learn with an example. And the other thing about IXL, if you do not know your login or your password to go to IXL, let Mr. Medina or Ms. Tricero know. We'll be more than happy to provide you with that information. Once you've completed your bell ringer for the day, you're going to move on to your 5th period, week 3 interactive journal. For some of you, it just says week 3 interactive journal. I will have this presented on the television in my classroom. Now, one thing that I am going to do for my 5th period class, we're going to change this up just a little bit, and I'll give you specific instructions in class. The next thing I want us to go to, once we get through our interactive journal for the day, is we're going to have an ed puzzle to complete and then an exit ticket. And if you guys have any questions, please let your teacher know, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys. You guys have a great Wednesday.